Hello viewers, today we're going to be talking about the retrospective record. I choose to call that total recall. A lot of people don't know that when you're using your Akai MPC, it actually has a functionality and a feature that can actually record for you as you play, even before you hit the record button. This is going to be a quick one. I just want to show you how to do it. So let's go. Today we're going to be talking about retrospective recording. Like I told you earlier, nothing is missing, nothing is lost. We're talking about total recall right here. There's a very wonderful piece of feature that I like that is actually available on the sampler. The good news is we have this particular feature on a couple of DAWs. They have it already. Even as I speak with you, majority of people do not know that that feature exists. So what is retrospective recording? Let's even take a look at that. What it basically means is everything you punch as far as the pads are concerned, everything you press is actually being recorded or saved in a particular memory, let's say temporary memory, that should you need it, you can call for it. That's what retrospective record means here. So for us to actually get a proper grip of that, let me just go into one of the projects that we've worked on recently. Let me see. I want to pick up an empty string. Okay, I think I won't just go to an empty project. Let me go back to main. Let me click here. Let me go to a new project completely. Don't worry, don't save that. We don't need it saved. Let me just pick up a new project completely. Then I'll load a particular a program on it, and then we'll try something. Let me load this up. Load. Now, when I'm loading this trap bit, let me go back to my main. I want to use that trap kit. So right now inside the trap kit, cool. So let's say I decide to know, you know what? Let me increase this. Okay, I'm on my timing control is on 1 to 16, and my bars, okay, 8. So let me say I actually do this. But I did not hit record. What does that mean? Oh, and I love it, and I cannot get it back. Like, I love what I just did. Can I do that again? Oh, I just did it. I didn't even know how I was able to do that. All you need to do is press your shift and hit the record. Can you see retrospective record comes on screen? If you come here now, everything you've punched, you can see it's here. So if you press play start, even the first one, you see, everything you've punched, it stays there, like retrospective, kind of like recording. You see, it even goes, because I'm on 1 to 8, that's why you can see that it's 1 to 8. This one is trying to replay 1 to 8. But this still goes beyond. You can see all the other ones I played is still here. It's still grayed out. And I can still access it. How to do that? I just need to increase this. You can see I clicked on the bars and I'm increasing it. So everything you type is just there. All you need to do is just go and increase. I took it now to 16, and then it will go and play the other ones. You can see. That's basically what retrospective recording does for you. Let me stop. Let me come back to main. So basically what it is let me just undo. So, okay, this is still here. If I play now, there's nothing is there because I actually just had to undo everything. As you can see, retrospective recording, basically what it means is you've done something you really like, and you basically just want to call it back. Like, I like that. I'm not sure if I can redo it, especially for those that play piano or they play the instrument, keyboard and all that on this particular part. You might have just been able to be successful enough to make a particular, maybe a particular symphony, a particular melody, and you're like, oh no, I wish I recorded it. It's simple. What you've done right there, you can easily just click shift, and by the time you hit record, it will recall everything. So let me see. Let's see. I'm trying to create. Okay, you are too long. So let me stop that. Now, if I play it, you see that nothing is playing because I didn't record it. But if I stop it and I press shift and record, retrospective record, you telling me that no events? How did that happen? Oh, because I actually pressed stopped. You can see that while nothing is happening, I actually pressed stopped. So all those events are gone. But right while we are here, while nothing is happening, if I then I hit shift, as you can see, my record is already hot because I've not pressed any other button. Once I hit this, retrospective record, it's already there. So if I press play start, it can actually, you see, talk quiet for okay. Don't mind me. So that's basically how retrospective recording works. And just try and take advantage of it. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. It might not be something you use often or every time, but at any time it comes up, you get the need for it arises. Just know that okay, yeah, you have this tool in your arsenal and you can pick it up and use anytime you want. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you're loving what is coming out from here. And at the same time, if you have any requests, you have any issue basically with your device and you need some tips or advice on it, feel free to drop your comment in the comment section below and we'll take it up from there. We'll assist as much as we can. The retrospective record. So I believe by now you should know that nothing is lost. Nothing is ever lost. If you need anything, you know the button to press, right? So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and you know what? Bring others to join. Also, you can just share your thoughts with us in the comment section below. See you in the next one.